walang record si Mr. Willie Ong.
Your Honor, that's...
Tama.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, teka. Patapusin mo ako. Do you agree with
Policy,
that?
Your Honor.
Huh?
Yes, Your Honor, we
Yes.
confirm the document.
Yun lang ang gusto ko marinig. Huwag mo nang dagdagan. Dahil baka lalo kang lulubog. And therefore, pursuant to your records, wala pong ka-record si Mr. Willie Ong.
Yes po.
Yes. That is dated 27 August 2001. Tama? Na wala ngang record ng birth ni Mr. Willie Ong doon sa LCR. Sinertify ninyo August 27 na wala ngang record. Pero magic, nagkaroon.
Kaya Mr. Chairman, lumalawak yung problema natin dito sa mga foreigners na legitimize. What part of your provision, of your policy that involves the, what do you call this? The provision of yung late registration. Anong parte ng inyong provision na pinapayagan nyo ang late registration? Like for the example of Mayor Alice Guan, 17 years, saka lang siya na-register. How is that so? Why did you allow it? Can you kindly explain on this committee? Anong provision ng PSA nakalabas na pwede tayo magkaroon ng late registration as long as this kind of situation that Mayor Alice Guan have encountered 17 years tapos niregister natin? Correct, ma'am?
Yes po.
Siguro 40 years ka doon, nasa PSA ka na. Have you encountered this issue of Alice Go? Late registration? Ano po yung policy po natin sa late registration?
Meron po kami procedure on the late registration. Actually, we consider po na timely ang registration kapag na-register siya within 30 days.
Within?
Upon birth po. Dapat na i-register siya in 30 days po. So we consider that timely.
So no matter how long you've been in the country, kahit na 30 years ka na, pwede ka pa rin mag-late registration. Is that the policy?
Meron pong late registration procedure na dapat i-comply po nila yung...
Can you kindly give us the provision of your policy on the late registration? So wala siyang capture na time element. Na for example, kailangan hanggang 5 years ka lang.
Sa ngayon po, wala. Basta after ng reglementary period, if talaga magre-register po, yun po yung considered na delayed registration.
So, who is the head of that registrar na nag-upload noong mga documents coming from the LCR? Sinong head sa PSA?
Sa ngayon po, meron kaming civil registration service.
Sino nga po ang head?
Si Assistant National Statistician Marisa Grande.
Ilang taon na po siya doon?
Hindi ko...
Sir, Mr. Chairman, can we invite that person from the PSA as well? Because we need to find out the culpability of our government agencies that deal with the approval of the PSA, you know? Kasi nakikita natin dito, baka malaki tong sitwasyon na to, Mr. Chairman. And that's the reason why we wanted to invite those people who are responsible for receiving the copies coming from the LCR. Tingnan po natin yung sino ang mga ito. At especially sa province ng sa Banangaling, May Kawayan, Bulacan. Sila yung depository. Sino yung head ng depository nyo? We need to invite them, Mr. Chairman, to shed light on this matter. Kasi kitang-kita po natin na may problema doon sa transmission Kung depository lamang sila, dapat talagang magre-reflect lang kung ano nang gagaling sa mga civil registrar. Pero kung meron ngayon nakakasingit, ang problema nasa PSA, depository, nasa inyong problema.
Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman Fernandez. Just in relation to, before I recognize Congressman Acop, in relation to the question raised by Congressman Fernandez, and before that, I'd like to acknowledge the presence of Congressman Gaston Buting. Welcome to the Committee on Dangerous Drugs.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Good morning po sa inyo.
So, from LCR, papunta sa PSA, wala bang kasamang mga supporting documents yun?
Yung submission po ng mga requirements po ay nasa local civil registry offices po.
And when the LCR endorses to PSA, anong kasama dun sa endorsement?
Yung transmittal lang po.
Transmittal lang? Walang
Trans-
ibang documents that would support the transmittal?
Yung file po is nasa local civil registry offices.
Okay, thank you. Congressman Akop, you're recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. May I know from Madam Roque, you also attended the last hearing, right?
Hindi po ako nakarating nung May 8, Your Honor.
The previous hearing.
Hindi pa po.
First time mo?
Apo.
So, you are certifying that there is no record of Mr. Willie Ong's birth insofar as your office is concerned.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Thank you. Now, PSA, are you aware of a document dated 27 August 2001 from the Office of the Civil Registrar General regarding the request of Mr. Willie Ong for travel abroad? He was requesting for certain, from your office, files for his birth record. Are you aware of that?
Your Honor, we have po a copy of the
Hindi,
certificate.
tinatanong ko lang, ma'am, kung you're aware of it.
Yes. Yes
And
po.
would you say that this is authentic muna?
Yes po.
Yes. And what does it say?
Certifying that the birth record of Billy Ong, alleged to have been born on 29 May 1977 in Maykawayan, Bulacan, had negative results.
At negative results. Pakibasa ulit. Pakituloy nyo para marinig ng ating ibang mga kasamahan.
This is further certifies that civil registry records of births for the year 1977 are intact in the files of the Office of the Local Civil Registrar, the above named locality as per status report of civil registry records submitted to this office on 14 May 1999. Further,
Go ahead, ma'am.
further, verification may therefore be requested in the files of that office.
Now, you are certifying that pursuant to your record, kasi National Statistics Office document to, di ba?
Yes.
The precursor of your office now, the PSA. Tama po?
Opo.
Yes. And therefore, pursuant to your records, wala pong ka-record si Mr. Willie Ong.
Yes po.
Yes. That is dated 27 August 2001. Tama?
Yes.
Now, let's go to another document from the Office of the Municipal Civil Registrar dated August 31, 2001, 4 days after. Are you aware of this, the local civil registrar? It was signed by a certain Mr. Epifanio Areno.
We have a copy po, sir.
You have a copy of that.
Yes.
And what does this document say? 4 days after the PSA certified na wala silang records regarding the birth of Mr. Willie Ong.
Sir, the Office of the Municipal Civil Registrar, Mr. Epifanio Areno, has endorsed the copy of the document on 31st August 2001. So
Yes,
this is a letter of endorsement.
Tingnan mo, Iha. Yung date ng PSA is August
27.
August 27, right?
Yes.
Tama?
Yes po, sir.
Yun yung kwan ng PSA. Pero yung document na walang record si Mr. Willie Ong. Tama? Pero sa local civil registrar, dated August 31, 2001, ang date of birth ni Mr. Willie Ong ay May 29, 1977. Tama?
Yes po, sir.
Oh, paano nangyari yun? Sinasabi ng PSA, wala ka silang records of birth dated August 27, 2001. Pero 4 days thereafter, nag-issue ng document ang local civil registrar August 31, 2001, nagkaroon na kaagad siya ng birth date.
Sir, may process po tayo ng endorsement. If with negative result from PSA, if positive po or may kopya at the local civil registrar, may process po tayo ng endorsement na tinatawag. So this one po is endorsed by the local civil
Hindi,
registrar.
ang sabi kanina ng local civil registrar, wala nga silang record of birth ni Mr. Willie Ong. First, next question, paano nagkaroon ngayon ng dokumento ang Municipal Civil Registrar, August 31, 2001, meron ng birth date si Mr. Willie Ong. Hindi nyo ba naintindihan yung impossibility ng mga ginagawa ninyo? Ha? Nahuhuli kayo doon sa ginagawa ninyo eh. Oh. Kasasabi lang ng local civil registrar to the queries of the Honorable Dan Fernandez kanina na wala ngang record ng birth ni Mr. Willie Ong doon sa LCR. Sinertify ninyo August 27 na wala ngang record. Pero magic, nagkaroon. Turuan nyo nga po kami na paano mag-magic ng ganyan.
Your Honor, if the reason why we have the record, because it was validly endorsed to us by the then local civil registrar. We have here the original document, the endorsement letter, dated August 31. This is an original document, Your Honor, bearing the specific signature of the LCR. When we received this, we verify it with
Who
our
is the LCR then?
Mr. Epifanio Areno. Your
Kaya
Honor.
nga, yun nga sinasabi ko, nag-issue kayo ng certification August 27. Walang record si Mr. Willie Ong.
Your Honor, that's...
Tama.
Yes, Your Honor,
Yes,
because...
teka. Patapusin mo ako. Do you agree with
Policy,
that?
Your Honor.
Ha?
Yes, Your Honor, we
Yes.
confirm the
Hindi,
document.
Yun lang ang gusto ko marinig. Huwag mo nang dagdagan. Dahil baka lalo kang lulubog. Tapos sabi ng local civil registrar, wala silang ka-record. Madam local civil registrar, bakit meron po kayong, meron pirma yung inyong dating civil registrar, si Mr. Epifanio Areno, na merong birth date si Mr. Willie Ong?
Your Honor, hindi ko po siya masagot kung paano po nangyari yun that time. Pero nung time na po yun, wala nga po. Wala po kami nito. Wala po kami.
Ito yung dokumento eh. Oh, binabasa ko. Tapos sasabihin yung wala. Sabihin naman ng
Wala.
PSA, meron noong 2001. Alam niyo, kung titingnan po natin ito, ordinaryo lang ang tingin nyo na problema nito eh. Pero may implications po ito. Ginagawa niyong kalokohan. You know, any alien can get a Filipino passport. And I think it is already happening. If we have a DFA representative here, yes, I think nangyayari na po ito, di po ba? Yes. Noon, very reliable yung data ng DFA regarding birth dates of individuals. Lalong-lalo na kung may passport. Ngayon, hindi na ako naniniwala pag ganito ang nangyayari. You could just imagine, yung value ng passports natin bababa insofar as the eyes of other countries are concerned. You can ask DFA about that. Ganun ang nangyayari. Yun ang impact. Napakamura ang ating passport. And you, the agencies concerned, doon nag-originate kung paano in-issuean ng passport ng DFA yung isang alien. That is why, sinasabi nila rito na merong national security aspect itong problemang ito. And the PSA, in the last meeting, you committed to form a technical working group to look into this problem. Tama? I have it on record. PSA was directed to create a technical working group to study this issue. Are you aware of that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. And your report must be submitted, according to this, to be submitted to the committee before the SONA of the President in July 22.
We submit, Your Honor. We will draft.
You better do that.
Yes, Your Honor.
May kulanong salita na ang ibig sabihin dito ay ang pagkakaisa. Bunyog Party List. Halika na, Bunyog Party List ka na. Halika na, Bunyog Party List ka na.
Sa susunod, ang atinang suportahan, Bunyog Party List, nagtataguyod ng katotohanan, lumalaban para sa bayan.